Multi-page designs may require the need to reproduce layouts across pages to retain consistency with the publication as a whole. When the decision arises to reproduce layouts across your publication, you can take the guesswork out of getting everything just right by using master pages. In this video, we're going to discuss working with master pages in Scribus, so let's get started. Welcome to class. With Scribus running, we can open the Edit Master Pages control panel from the standard menu by selecting Edit and then Master Pages. Across the top of the window from the left to right, there should be a series of buttons that will allow you to create a new master page, duplicate an existing master page, import a master page from another document, or delete a master page. Below the buttons should be a list of existing master pages. By default, there should be a normal master page created. Although the normal master page can be edited, it's advised to create a new master page for your needs instead of editing the default. With the Edit Master Page control panel open, we can create a new master page by selecting the button to add a new master page. You should be prompted to provide your new master page a name. At this point, you will want to give your master page a meaningful name that will help you identify its purpose from the name alone. You can also create a master page from an existing page in your publication. This is quite useful as you may have gone through several design iterations before settling on a layout. When you convert an existing page to a master page, the page will contain all elements of the page from all layers. Once created, you can edit the master page by adding and removing elements. To convert an existing page to a master page, start by selecting the page, and then from the standard menu select Page, and then Convert to Master Page. Master pages can be applied to pages in your publication in an arrangement of ways. With at least one master page created, select a page in the publication you wish to apply a master page to. Then, from the standard menu, select Page, and then Apply Master Page. An Apply Master Page modal pop-up will appear, allowing you to define which master page you would like to assign to the selected page. You will also be able to identify how to apply the master page to your publication, with possible options that include apply to current page, even or odd pages, all pages, or pages within a specific range of page numbers. Once you've identified how to apply the master page to your publication, you can select OK to apply the master page or Cancel to close the window. Removing a master page follows the same steps as applying one. First, select a page that has a master page assigned to it. From the standard menu, select Page, then Apply Master Page. This time, instead of selecting a master page we created, we will select Normal from the Master Page dropdown, select Current Page, and then select OK. This will apply the default master page to the selected page in our publication. We can think of master pages as predefined design templates that can be assigned to publication pages. In this video, we discussed how to create, apply, and remove master pages and identified that master pages can provide a means of incorporating consistency across your publication. If this video helped you, or you would like to have us cover a specific topic in Scribus, let us know in the comments section. See you in the next one.